name is Dr. Pangela Dawson. It is my pleasure to introduce to you the new Masters of Biomedical Science program at the University of the Incarnate Word. UIW has over 100 years of serving, educating, and producing professionals in the healthcare industry in South Texas. The Masters of Biomedical Sciences is a full-time, one-year master's degree program. The curriculum integrates graduate-level biomedical science coursework, research exposure, and early clinical experiences to prepare and bolster students' competitiveness for medical school and other related healthcare professions. Students actively engage in interactive small and large group learning. The program incorporates team-based approaches, pro-seminars, medical simulation labs, community service learning, and critical reflection. We hope you will consider becoming a part of UIW's rich history of healthcare education and service to South Texas. Your connection to medical school starts now.